Hey, what's up? I have Doogee Y7 Plus in my hands, and today we have unboxing and first review of this phone. As usual, in coming days we will make videos with performance, battery and camera tests. Check the description under this video, most likely the videos are already there. Doogee Y7 Plus has very unusual features for a modern smartphone, for example, front fingerprint reader. I haven't seen the phones with front fingerprint scanner for a long time. Perhaps the last phone with this feature that I've tested was OnePlus 5. Also, Doogee Y7 Plus comes with 2.5 GHz processor MediaTek MT6757. There is 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory with microSD support. The phone also has a big 5080 mAh battery. So let's start with unboxing and then review the main features of this phone. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The box of the smartphone has company logo Doogee, Y series and Y7 Plus logo. Also, there is an image which looks like a peace sign. On the other side you can read the specifications of the smartphone, such as display, memory, battery, cameras and others. Now let's open the box. Here we have a smartphone with sticker on the screen and on the rear panel. I want to remove them. Also, you can find a silicone protective case, user manual in different languages, USB Type-C cable, and power adapter. That's all. It's time to talk about main features of Doogee Y7 Plus. One of the main features of new smartphone is front fingerprint reader. I still believe that it is the best location for fingerprint scanner. Of course, it is better to have built-in display fingerprint reader and full bezel-less display, but then the price of Doogee Y7 Plus will be much higher. Also, the phone has a notch above the display. Doogee Y7 Plus was released in 2018, when a big notch was the main trend. In 2019 it looks a bit dated, but many Chinese manufacturers still use this design. In the notch is located front camera, earpiece and LED notification. On official photos, Doogee Y7 Plus looks full bezel-less, but in fact there are bezels around the display. I cannot say they are too big or too small, just like iPhone X. The rear panel is made of glossy plastic. We have an Aurora blue version, but also the smartphone is available purple and black color options. In the right upper corner you can see dual camera and flashlight. On the right side there is power button and volume rocker. SIM slot is on the left side. On the bottom is USB Type-C and speaker, while on the top you will find 3.5mm audio jack. I really like that Doogee doesn't copy other manufacturers, but tries to develop its own design. Doogee Y7 Plus looks unique and recognizable, unlike many other Chinese phones for the last years. Doogee Y7 Plus has 6.18-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution 1080 by 2246 pixels. The aspect ratio is 19:9 and pixel density is 403 ppi. As I already said, the bezels are not very thin, but the phone is compact. It is comfortable to hold in one hand. The display is very good, high-detailed and clear. The viewing angles are also okay. Here is how the screen is visible in direct sunlight at maximum and minimum brightness. The next interesting feature of Doogee Y7 Plus is memory. The smartphone has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. You can use microSD memory card to expand the storage. The phone has a hybrid slot for dual SIM and microSD. If we talk about processor, here is MediaTek Helio P25 or MT6757CD. The chipset was released in 2016, however it still provides good performance. The smartphone scores about 85,000 points in AnTuTu. Later we will make detailed performance test of this phone, with all benchmarks and gaming. The link will be in description. By the way, Doogee Y7 Plus runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. There is multi-language support and Google services. Doogee Y7 Plus has 16-megapixel main sensor and 13-megapixel secondary sensor on the rear panel. There is PDFA and LED flash. The front panel has 8-megapixel sensor with f2.2 aperture. The camera is one of the things that I was interested in this smartphone. It looks really good on paper. However, as you know, it often happens that the Chinese smartphones make quite poor images. I cannot say about image quality of Doogee Y7 Plus, because I haven't tested camera yet. Later I will publish a special video with camera of this phone on our channel Tech Brothers. And the last feature of Doogee Y7 Plus is battery. It has a capacity of 5080 mAh. The manufacturer promises 690 hours of standby time, 10 hours of playing, or 18 hours of video playback. I will check the battery life in our battery test. The link to this video will also be in description. By the way, the smartphone comes with only 10-watt charger, but there is USB Type-C port. Most likely it supports fast charging, but you will need to buy a special power adapter. Doogee Y7 Plus looks very interesting for its price, $200. The phone has unique design with front fingerprint reader. It has a lot of memory, 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. Also, there is big 5080 mAh battery. The cameras look very promising, but we should test them. It was unboxing and first review of Doogee Y7 Plus. If you're interested in this phone, subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. In coming days, we will publish videos with performance test, battery test and camera test of this mobile device. Thanks for watching, see you next time.